Bitcoin Cash is forecast to rise 5.2% by tomorrow, Gov Capital notes. Before anything else, let's see what's happening on the chart. Bitcoin Cash's price is down 0.7% in the last 24 hours, and it's currently at around $203.60. Let's review the analysts' latest outlooks. According to crypto predictions, we could touch $204.52 by August 19, suggesting a potential 0.4% upside. Bitcoin Cash is expected to move higher to $205.25, according to Traders Union, a gain near 0.8%. 30 Rates notes it may advance to $207, roughly 1.7% more than the current price. Another outlook from Gov Capital indicates Bitcoin Cash might push higher toward $214.10, about 5.2% higher. To finish, CoinDataFlow believes $220.20 could be reached by tomorrow. That's a projected 8.2% gain. This is the most profitable call among all. Forecasts are done. Let's explore what comes next. Now that we've reviewed the forecasts, here's what they point to. After evaluating every forecast, the potential price change could lie between a rise of 0.4% and a rise of 8.2%, depending on the analyst. As a result, CoinDataFlow shows the highest projected return with 8.2% gain in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could earn between $4 and $82 for every $1,000 you invest. When evaluating probabilities, crypto predictions' forecast has proven to be the most reliable, with a 79.2% chance of success. With the forecasts combined, I've built an overall consensus outlook. The consensus outcome points to Bitcoin Cash being valued at roughly $210.21. Let's walk through the details. The consensus view places the price 3.2% higher than current levels. By that same margin, your capital might also go up. With $1,000 invested, the implied gain would be roughly $32. And overall, this consensus outcome for Bitcoin Cash is given a probability of 48.4%. Let's move on and check where analysts expect the price to head in the short 3-day window. For the days ahead, crypto prediction signals further gains. Traders Union indicates that prices could dip further. 30 Rates suggests upward pressure will persist. Meanwhile, Gov Capital projects continued upside pressure. Additionally, CoinDataFlow emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. When looking at all forecasts side by side, the consensus clearly highlights an upward direction for Bitcoin Cash in the short term. Overall, 80% of forecasts point toward gains, underscoring optimism around Bitcoin Cash. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how they performed. As a result, the market finally closed at $205.50. 3 out of 5 analysts ended up correct about the trend. The prediction with the highest precision was made by Coin Price Forecast. Time to spell it out. In this case, 3 forecasts landed inside yesterday's move. For ROI performance, several analysts achieved gains, but Coin Price Forecast stood highest. Up next is the recap table, a quick look at how all forecasts performed. In the final stats, Gov Capital posted 0.2% ROI and accuracy. Try to find the analyst that stayed most in sync with the market. Now let's see how Bitcoin Cash ranks among other assets based on their forecasted returns for tomorrow. Bitcoin Cash doesn't lead in this forecast as Gram stands highest with 8.9%. Here Bitcoin Cash is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more is already ready on my website. If this comparison saved you some research time, give it a like and stay tuned by subscribing. See you in the next update.